So I got off the interstate. I'm heading back toward Charleston, and as you can see, it's completely dead. Completely. I've seen just a few cars on I-26. I-26, 2 cars on the way coming back. I'm going to show you how dead it is on the interstate. This is I-26. Normally, probably hundreds of cars pass through there every few minutes. I see one truck. I-26. As you can see, the sky is absolutely beautiful. And here's a police officer waiting on someone like me. Hopefully he's not going to pull me over. I-26. One truck. And I'm getting back on the Somerville exit. This is I-26. It is a deserted town.